You see, when Advocate Mnisi takes off his glasses, you know something big is about to happen. It's a sign that he's about to make a crucial point, unravel a complex argument, or catch the opposition off guard. Splendor. This seemingly small gesture signals a pivotal moment. When Mnisi takes off his glasses, the tension rises and the courtroom holds its breath. So next time you see him do it, brace yourself. Something significant is coming. Stay tuned for more courtroom drama.
Now, as I said, and with due respect, I'm going to request to tap into your wisdom, being an expert in data analysis. Now, we can see that in respect of the column of the other party, in both exhibits, there's a discrepancy, not so?
Yes.
But now in respect of all the other columns, the information is just exactly the same.
That is correct.
What?
You know, when I went through this information, I got tempted to call Mark Zuckerberg and say to him, how does this happen? And then something said, no, but we've got an expert at court. Why should I worry to do an international call? Now, as I'm saying, might kindly tap into your wisdom for an explanation on these discrepancies.
Please take note that I can only, my lord, I can only comment on Vodacom's set of data.
Yes.
And what I'm familiar with, as I know how and when the information was downloaded. The information that you see in front of you under the table on J1 has been extracted from the data that I would call the voluminous data, which comprises of pages 4,649.
Just before you proceed, is it not so that the data that is extracted from the data that comprises of 4,649 pages is the data that you personally worked on?
Yes.
Thank you. And it originates, the originators of this data, or it belongs to Vodacom?
Correct.
Thank you. You can proceed with your explanation.
If you have page 1586 of 4,649 in front of you, you will find towards the middle of that page.
I don't have that page.
Perhaps I
Let it
could
be, please.
put it on the big screen.
Yes.
Thank you. Okay. I'm not sure if you can see the highlighted portion in yellow.
I think I need to come nearer. My eyesight is good. Sometimes it lets me down when I'm supposed to be seeing other things. Yes.
Okay, so this information is on page 1586 as I've indicated.
Njengoba ngishilo-ke ukuthi le mininingwane lena-ke iku-page 1586.
Just a second. I just went to the old record. Now, that information is a record that you worked on.
Yes, this
Yes.
forms part of the J1 exhibit.
Now, which is that information? Is the information, okay, you're saying is in J1. Thank you.
Perhaps if you could just give me a moment to
explain.
explain
Okay.
the entire set of data
Thank you, ma'am.
so that you would then have a better understanding.
Let me do that. Thank you.
So the data that, the extraction that you see on exhibit J1, the small block that I've just presented,
Yes.
this page 1586 is or forms part of that extraction.
So this is where we left off yesterday. I thoroughly enjoyed it. I just had to put it again. And did you notice I put it in slow motion? Let me know in the comment section down below. How many times have you watched these clips? Not just from my channel, but yeah, let me know. I will admit I've watched it definitely more than once because Mnisi is brilliant. I mean, it goes without saying. So I'm just going to do a quick intro, okay? Some house rules. Don't forget to do the things that make the channel grow, okay? 35,000, which means what? Road to 40,000. Oh my God. But I digress. Let's get into part 2, okay? So we just go through it all and see how Mnisi executes. Pinky, he literally walks her into the slaughterhouse. Judge Ratha, you just have to watch it yourself to see. And of course, as usual, I will be back with the rest of my commentary. Please like. Go ahead and like the video at this point. It is absolutely free.
But my concern still is, there is this also affidavit here, Exhibit 02, that deals with the same information, but the number of the other party differs materially from the number that is contained in you. Now, as I've said, I've struggled to find out how possible, how could this be, what could have happened here, why should these numbers be different when all this other information is the same? That is the kind of a wisdom that I would request you to assist us with.
So, as I've indicated yesterday, that our set of data is submitted in PDF format.
Yes.
It cannot be manipulated in any way by us.
Yes.
We submit it to the TSU
Yes.
or any other institute for that matter in the PDF format.
Yes.
As you have seen, that this little block on J1 is an extraction of the entire data.
Yes.
The only thing that I've left out was the tower.
Yes.
This comes from the old data. This is an enhanced statement with our new systems.
Thank you.
This cannot be changed in any way. It cannot be altered, added, another number inserted or a number removed,
Yes.
or for that matter, a tower name, a cell or ID, a lac or ID.
Yes.
I can only explain on what I've worked with and what I've provided.
Thank you.
However, this statement belongs to somebody else. I have no idea how that information was extracted, and therefore I cannot make any comments on that.
Thank you, ma'am. Most probably there will be an explanation forthcoming vis-a-vis the explanation that you've just given, that this information is untamperable. You can't tamper with it. You cannot edit it. You cannot alter it. No amount of change can be effected on the information that you have just testified about, as it reflects in your affidavit, J1. Thank you, ma'am. In the course of the exchange of information, the state provided us with information which is in soft copies, in memory sticks. This is called information which is in here. It's a soft copy. So, yeah. Now, in this memory stick here, there is what I could identify as the data, cell phone data of the number ending with 358. So I'm going to request you, actually my colleague here, Advocate Nimalo, can come and assist there because he's also savvy with the computers. So he can come and assist and just to go right into the information that we want. Otherwise, do not want to get to other information that is contained in this memory stick. With the leave of court, my lord, may I request Advocate Nimalo to go to approach the witness and assist, ma'am?
Whose affidavit is it?
No, it's not an affidavit, ma'am.
Which is her affidavit?
It's not about an affidavit, my lord.
No, I'm asking that information. Who made an affidavit to say he or she compiled it? The one you say Mr. Ngumalo will explain.
We've got two affidavits, my
Yes,
lord.
that's why I want the name.
No, I'm not saying Mr. Ngumalo, Advocate Ngumalo should assist in respect of the affidavit, but
No,
just
no,
to access information that is in
Listen,
this memory stick.
I want to know, when you say this witness
Yes.
must assist, are you saying she must assist in her own affidavit? Which you say she was instructed to compile section 205
Yes.
data.
It works both ways, my lord.
No.
Let me
Just listen to
explain.
me, otherwise you're wasting time.
No, we're not wasting time, my lord, with your respect, but let me explain. This witness as well had a privilege to work on the cell phone data with a phone ending 358. Mr. Stein had also a privilege to work on a cell phone data with a number ending 358.
Yeah, that's the crux of the point.
Yes.
Wait, because she is saying, you are saying basically you can't compare, you can't explain how Colonel Stein came to aggregate that information.
Correct, my
That's what she's saying.
No, but now, my lord,
Right.
I'm no longer pursuing the issue of the discrepancies as contained in the
Fine,
affidavit.
That's why
I want to
know,
proceed.
Listen to me. That's
Yes,
why
ma'am.
I know whose affidavit is it. Is it her affidavit or Colonel Stein's affidavit? That's all I want to know.
Which is in the memory stick.
Yes.
It is for both of them because Mrs. Vitterlingam also had worked on the number ending with 358.
Fine.
Yes.
Fine. The stick
As
contains.
well as-
Wait. You're saying the
Yes.
stick contains the affidavit of this witness and the affidavit of Colonel Stein.
I did not get that, my lord. I just got a
You
bit
say the
distracted.
stick contains the dual numbers
Yes.
which she worked on, Stein worked on. Is that not so?
Yes.
Now I want to know which numbers is she going to comment on. Is it her own numbers in that stick which she comments on? That's all I want to know.
No, I think the court wants to know about the number thing, but I think the court wants to say affidavit. Is it her own affidavit that she will have to comment
Yes,
on
yes.
or Stein's affidavit? In this memory stick, there's no affidavit. It's just the data.
Yes, the data.
Yes.
Is she the one who compiled it?
Who compiled the data
Yes.
in this memory stick
Yes.
that we received from the state?
Yes.
This information does not reflect. However, we know at the back of our mind, and it is now on record, that at one point this witness was requested to work on an affidavit, on a number that ends with 358. Mr. Stein as well was also requested to
Okay,
work on
fine.
a number
Go-
that
no,
ends
go
with
on.
358.
Fine, go on.
Thank you, my lord. Does the court then give permission to let Mr. Ngumalo go assist there? Ngumalo, usaba mina. Ngumalo, usaba mina.
So it's Mr. Ngumalo's turn to cross-examine this witness.
Maybe,
Hello?
excuse me.
Procedure dictates that if you're saying Mr. Ngumalo is the one who will assist, you're actually saying he is now cross-examining this witness.
As it is the court.
Yeah.
Maybe the witness herself, because she's a technically well-read person, can access this information. In an event that she picks up some troubles here and there, that's when then we can jump in and assist, my lord. May I then hand this memory stick to the witness just
Yeah,
to
fine.
open it?
My lord, I'm going to save Mr. Mnisi or Advocate Mnisi all of that trouble by stating that my ports are blocked due to security reasons. I cannot insert a memory stick from you or a disk from you or anyone else into my computer because of the confidentiality and the security constraints.
My lord, no matter what, it is very imperative that this information should be flighted today. If there's somebody that has got a laptop that can assist us therewith, maybe we can use that laptop. I think the state does have a laptop, the court registrar does have a laptop. It doesn't matter whose laptop is it, but the explanation from the witness is understandable. For security reasons, that cannot happen, my lord. I will request, my lord, the court registrar to assist her with, to assist us. That's a bit of a tongue twister, my lord, to assist us with her laptop so that we access this information.
I say you're not permitted by your employer.
No, yes, the ports are actually blocked for the security reasons. Yes.
So nobody except
No, nobody can
using
access.
the paraphernalia of Vodacom can do it.
Yes,
Access.
and if I have to insert a memory card in there, it's going to encrypt it and throw it out, which is null and void.
Yeah, let's make progress. He says he's unable to do that.
That is understandable, my lord, which is the reason why I said maybe the state will be in a position to assist us, alternatively the court registrar.
No, the court registrar is not a computer expert. She can't help. Hello, do you have any courses in computer science, sir? Ma'am?
This does not require a computer
Hello?
knowledge.
No, just asking you.
Just a basic
Do you know-
knowledge on computers.
He says he's lost, like me.
Madam, I can assist. I do have a computer in my
But
car.
you know
if I
what, we're
can
wasting time. This witness, Mr. Darlingen, when first did we meet, by the way? How many years back?
Long time back,
Yeah, but-
my lord.
I mean, it's over 20 years. She says it's not possible for her to do that.
May I request the state then to possibly assist us, my lord? The state does it.
Mr. Sibanda.
He has always been assisting us in any event. But I
If
don't
you
think he can
are
hide behind the
assisted by
fact that
Mr.
he's
Sibanda,
also
the state
hasn't done
prosecutor-
IT.
If at all, what is the position?
I will assist wherever I can. I just cannot insert anything into my computer.
Yeah, let's make progress. It's just he cannot.
I don't have a problem with that, my lord. But that cannot be it can't be a cul-de-sac. There should be alternative available. One of them is the state. One of them is the course registrar. The course registrar, the court has said she's not computer literate. But it does not look to me like she's not computer literate, my lord. But nonetheless, let us request Mr. Sibande to assist us. The course registrar is willing to make a laptop available. Still on the podium.
Now, what is that supposed to be?
Thank you, my lord. That is what appears to be a download, a cell phone data of the number ending with 4358, not so, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you. Now, when I say me, I mean myself and accused and my colleague here, Advocate Numan. I want to be sincere with the court. We're analyzing that information. Something struck us very seriously and very amazingly. We were actually perturbed. As we were analyzing that data call there, it appeared to us that that version is editable. Do you confirm that?
That is Excel. And
Excellent, yes.
you can do anything with Excel.
It's excellent.
Excellent.